I'll just scream at you guys. If we win, we have to go crazy so the camera can hear us.
Alright, sounds good.
Oh, these guys.
Wow, that is weak. That is so bad.
What about that thing right there?
Alright, I'll try for that.
Yes or no?
Honestly, they... Oh, I can get that. I'll try with that. They're hard. You have to like grab them. Play on here. Let's go. Watch me win this now. That'd be so funny. Oh. Alright, I got one more. Still can't even win.
Alright, we're playing tailgate cross. It's actually pretty easy as long as the high score isn't too high. Alright.
There we go. Oh. Oh man. That's pretty good.
Yeah, I don't think I got it. I was like looking for these and how.
That's not bad. Oh. Just throw all of them at once.
How many street bonuses can you get?
Just grab them before they fall. It's like all
Yeah. It's not a bad strategy actually, throwing them all. Oh. Just throw all of them at once.
How many street bonuses can you get?
Just grab them before they fall. It's like all
Yeah. It's not a bad strategy actually, throwing them all.
Three in a row, eat the bonus score.
Here we go.
One big ticket, 2 down.
Oh.
Red straight bonus. Blue straight bonus.
Why don't you go for the green one? There you go.
Game over.
You have to get 3 in a row.
Blue street.
Get a street.
Now gets the street bonus. Focus on the same color.
Oh.
Green straight bonus. Red straight bonus. Blue hole. Welcome back now.
I got like 66,000.
3 in a row.
Really? Oh my god.
The faster you throw, the more you score. Green straight bonus. If you're starting to straight, red straight bonus. 2 down. Green straight bonus.
Oh wow.
Only shade of the red nose. Game over.
Oh damn, that was pretty good.
Green straight
I might have gotten it. I don't know.
Good job.
Red straight bonus. Green hole. If you want to start with red straight bonus, you have green straight bonus. Green straight bonus. Game over.
Oh wow, that was pretty good.
Green straight
I feel like I might have.
Green straight.
Damn.
I don't know.
You're gonna get, oh, it's gonna be close.
It's gonna be really close.
Red straight.
Oh, wait. 48.
You got it.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah, see, I got like 60.
Oh my.
I got 64,000.
That's crazy.
I just keep doing it and
Wow.
like beat myself. Like, I think I'm done though because 55,000 is a lot.
Yeah, that is a lot. Oh, dang. You have to get 780 to get 1,000?
Okay, that's impossible.
That's crazy. There's no way. No, there's no way.
Yeah.
Wow.
I felt like I got cheated. Oh, so you didn't remember that one? Oh! Got it. Hey. Did it with that. Okay.
Nice. That's awesome.
1,000 tickets. Good thing I filmed that too.
I know, right?
I wasn't even thinking of filming that.
Oh, that's great. I called that too.
Go on that one. It's like get 4 in a row. How sick would that be?
It doesn't let you win 2 times in a row though, does it?
Not on this machine. Yeah. So I go like to another one. It's kind of like the slots at Vegas.
Exactly.
You should know.
There was this one girl that was winning like crazy. Like there was people crowding around her and everything.
Here?
No, in Vegas, like at the slot machine.
Oh.
She was winning like $300 or something like that. Yeah.
That's
I mean,
like,
it's for Vegas. I guess it's pretty good. Oh wow.
I did the third jackpot, so I get 900. It goes 3, 6, 900.
Really?
Yeah, this is 300. But I selected 3 because I know I can get it.
Oh, that's sick. Wow. Just like that, you get 900 tickets?
Yeah.
Wow, that's
But,
crazy.
like, if it's rigged, it's so hard. You have to, like,
Yeah.
it's almost impossible.
It didn't look like that fast. It looked somewhat easy.
You have, like,
Like you're having a seizure.